Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I have a new recipe to show you guys. We call how to cook kitchen porridge. Here is some ingredient and vegetable. I'm going to tell you guys step by step when we start to cook. So if you guys want to know how to cook it, so please watch my video. But everyone, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube if using my channel and accessory to you. So start to cook with me. So first we start to boil our kitchen first. Lemongrass to reduce the dirty of our chicken. Salt, add some cheese, sugar, then garlic. So now we continue to cook until our chicken is already cooked. Wow, our ginger so good, it's so young. So now we don't waste time. So while we are waiting our chicken, so we do like this on ginger. This ginger is so young. Maybe it is so delicious. Lemon, green onion, so now we start to add our rice. Then continue to cook. Also fries our garlic to eat with our kitchen and pork. We fry garlic to eat with our porridge. So now our porridge is already cooked. Bean sprout, our ginger, green onion, lemon, and also our garlic which already fried. so good this. It's so yummy. It's just my testing, everyone. I think it is the time to say goodbye because the sky is nearly to be dark. So now say goodbye before it dark. Let me say goodbye, everyone, and everyone please help me to subscribe my channel if you think my channel are necessary to you. So say goodbye.